Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are doing fine. I hope you all are looking forward to the weekend, and I hope you all are setting your goals and not letting anyone or anything stop you from shining. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about a specific bank that you can open in UAE. So if you're new to UAE or you are someone who is earning less salary. So without no further ado, let's get this video started. Now, if you are my subscriber, you're most welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thumbs up to you. You guys rock a lot. Well, if you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Let's get this video started. Yeah, so I'd like to talk about a specific bank you can open in the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, for those who are earning a less salary, or majorly for Nigerians who are having difficulty in opening a bank account in UAE. Because in UAE today, most of Nigerians are not able to open a bank account for themselves. It's either you open your company opens up a salary account for you, which you can really not use much of it. You can only use that to get your salary, which will be transferred to the account, and also through WPS, as you already know. So if in UAE, as a Nigerian, you have to be earning a certain amount of money, which you all know, at least about 5,000 dirhams to be able to open a bank account in UAE, and that's to be able to open a bank account of any choice, any bank of your choice rather. So it's quite difficult for a lot of Nigerians to get a bank account running in the United Arab Emirates. So today I'm going to bring you good news to those who are earning less than 5,000 dirhams. And you also know that in the UAE, you have to have, for Nigerians, I don't know, you have to have a specific amount in your account before they can open an account for you. You have to have a standing balance of about 5,000 dirhams to get any bank to open an account for you, which includes you coming with your salary certificates and a whole lot of other documents. Yeah. So today I will be showing you a new way, like a good way to get a bank account as a Nigerian or as a low-income earner in the UAE. So there's a bank I actually came across sometimes when I was trying to open an account. I went to several other banks, but I finally got an account because I am earning quite high. But for those who are not able to earn so much money, just people who are, earning about an average of 2,000 dirhams, 2,500, 4,000 dirhams, or 3,000, there's a new bank for you. And the name of this bank is called Maryah Community Bank. For this bank, it is super easy to open the account. You don't need a minimum balance to open the bank account. You can, it's an app. You just have to download the app on Google Play Store or Apple. You just need to download the app of this bank, Maryah Community Bank. After downloading, you put in your details, and then boom, you have your account opened. It's super easy, seamless, stress-free, stressless. You don't need to appear in the bank. You don't need to go with any documents to the bank. You just need to follow the instructions given to you on the app. So my own experience is what I'm going to be talking about today. So I downloaded the app, and then I registered with my Emirates ID, and I filled the details, and then filled the documents, which is normal, required, no salary certificate required, no minimum balance required. So I opened the account. I opened the savings account. Immediately I got my IBAN number, immediately everything started running perfectly well. Amazing, right? Yeah, I felt the same way too, because it's been something I've heard from so many people who are struggling to open an account in the UAE as a Nigerian. Yeah, so after opening this account, I immediately gave my location so they can send me my card. That's my debit card. And to my greatest surprise, within 2 or 3 days, I guess, I got my I got my debit card. That sounds great, right? Yes, so I got my debit card and it was so beautiful, like it was amazing. I got a platinum card, which I'm going to be showing to you guys today. And after getting the platinum card, I started to save up some money inside the account, of course. Then I decided to open a current account. Super easy. You just need to click open another account in your dashboard, and then you have your current accounts opened up for you again. So this is amazing, right? Yeah, so I will be showing you the card, the debit card I got, and I can use this debit card at the shopping mall. I can buy groceries, I can shop online, I can do a whole lot of things with this card. And I think I can also use it outside of UAE as well. So I will just show you the platinum, no, not platinum, sorry guys. It's called titanium debit card. So this is what the card looks like. On it, it's written Maryah Community Bank. So yeah, this is the card. Super easy to get a bank account in UAE now for Nigerians, for low salary earners, for low income earners. Thank you so much guys for watching today's episode. Until next time, bye. So guys, don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, colleagues. You never know, this video might be useful to anyone. Thank you.